you're going to start on Canva's homepage and go to, let's just click video up here and go to video. You will want to adjust the shape to a rectangle by moving in the white lines on the side. This one is about 1000 pixels wide by 170 high, but sizes can vary depending on what you want to share with your audience. Click the color box. There's red. You can use any color you want. We do want to add a little corner rounding. It's going to make your lower third, for lack of a better word, fancy. So I'm going to go with 22, and I'm actually going to slide the left part off the screen. Then T on the keyboard, link is in description, uppercase, make it large. We're going to change it to white, put it here. Actually, it does not need to be that large. We're going to give it an effect, shadow, blur, transparency, and we're going to make it black. And then elements, go to link. We found a link here. It just gives it something cool. Before we do that, we need a spot for it to go. So I'm going to duplicate this and just make it smaller like this. Let's go here. It's a constant size game. Let's change the color to the color of the text. We'll make that black. Oh, I need to put it on top. Right click, put on top. There we go. And the other fun thing we could do with this is just give it a little border weight like that. Easy lower third. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but you show me how to make these cool overlays. How do I put them into my video? I don't understand. There's going to be a video on the screen right now that talks about how to add text and text animations to your videos. That will include something like this. And I give an example in there about how I apply it in the Shotcut. And as always, if you like today's Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.